Hello friends, I hope you are all well. I welcome you all in the academic year 2020-21. Here we'll be dealing with the TYBA Special English Paper 3, that is S3. You know it very well that it is annual pattern, and at the end of the first term there will be term end examination of 60 marks. Those 60 marks will be converted into 20. And at the end of the academic year, there will be 100 marks examination. 80 marks examination, and 20 will be added from term end examination. You are quite well acquainted with annual pattern. Here I'll be dealing with the TYBA Special English Paper 3, that is called as S3. Title of our paper is Appreciating Novel. And in Appreciating Novel, in this lecture, I will talk about the course content and the novel which we have to see in this academic year. As far as first term is concerned, let us come towards the course content. In term 1, we have to see theory of novel. In theory of novel, we have to take into consideration novel, fiction as a genre. First, we have to take into consideration what is novel, a brief history of novel as a literary form. Then, next subtopic is elements of novel. In that, we have to take into consideration theme, characters, plot, structure, narrative techniques, point of view, conflict, setting and atmosphere, dialogues. Next subtopic is types of novel. Here on the screen also you can see epistolary novel, picaresque novel, Bildungsroman, historical novel, regional novel, psychological novel, satire, realistic novels, experimental novel and science fiction. These are all types of novel. We will see one by one each type of novel, and some of the examples also we will take into consideration. And then we have to take into consideration some more aspects which are related with the novel. Last year we have seen appreciating drama as a literary form. This year we will compare our generic form, that is fiction, with drama. What is the difference between novel and drama? That we will take into consideration in some of our first few lectures. And then we will study Animal Farm. That novel we will take into consideration, written by a very famous novelist George Orwell. That novel we will take into consideration, Animal Farm. For second term, we have to see two novels written by two very famous novels. First novel we have to take into consideration, that is The Old Man and the Sea, written by Ernest Hemingway. He is an American novelist, and that is a small but very famous novel we have to take into consideration. The next and last novel, third novel we have to take into consideration, written by R.K. Narayan, very famous Indian novelist who wrote in English. The title of that novel is The Guide. These three novels we will take into consideration, and some literary elements in some of our first few lectures we will take into consideration. As far as the evaluation pattern is concerned, first we will talk about term end examination, and as I have already told you that term end examination will consist of 60 marks, and it will be conducted at the end of first term. There will be 5 questions. Question number 1, there will be questions on the elements of novel. We just talked about the elements, stage properties, then dialogues, theme, character, plots, structure, narrative, conflict, setting. First question will be based on these elements of novel which will consist of 12 marks. You have to solve any 3 out of 5. Second question will be there on the types of novel. Just now we talked about the types of novel: Bildungsroman, epistolary novel, satires, these types of novel. Question number 2 will be based on that. Any 3 you have to solve out of 5. Third question will be based on Animal Farm, the first novel which we have to study, which is carrying 12 marks. Then we have to see the fourth question, which is also based on Animal Farm. Any 2 questions you have to solve out of 3, that is also carrying 12 marks. And question number 5, questions on the application of the theory of novel. There will be 4 questions. You have to write down answers for 4 questions out of 6. That is also carrying 12 marks. So in all, there will be question paper of 60 marks. Those 60 marks will be converted into 20. And your annual examination will carry 80 marks. 80 plus 20 is equal to 100 marks. So I hope in today's lecture you have understood the syllabus and the nature of term and examination. I would like to take a review that in term 1 we have a theory of novel and elements of novel and types of novel that we have to see first. In some of my first few lectures, video lectures, I will talk about the theory of novel and elements of novel, and then we will see Animal Farm, written by George Orwell. Hope you have understood all these things. For the time being, we will stop here. Take care and stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.